parang talagang nagbuhat na naman siya for the team in terms of scoring?
Siguro nakaka-proud si Faida kasi first round nag-i-struggle siya. Talagang hirap siyang hindi pa siya comfortable sa UAAP, pero nung nakatikim na siya, nakaramdam na siya, and nakausap niya yung mga teammates niya, yun, naniwala siya mismo sa sarili niya, naniwala siya na kaya niya pala. So, ayun, ginagawa lang namin consistent na maging ganun yung performance ni Faida or higitan niya pa yung every last game niya.
For Faida, would you say that you're fully accustomed now with the UAAP and with your teammates, given your recent performances?
Hindi pa lang adjusted. Are you fully adjusted?
Yes, siyempre po.
Like.
Yes po. To the second round, I'm very determination to make it power because the first round, I did not play like I'm playing to another competition like D-League, Shakers. And then to the second round, I said I need to make it power. Always I'm just talking with coach, said coach, I need to make it power. Give me